Excuse me, sir, ma'am. I won't introduce myself. My name is Gina. I'm 22 years old. I'm Muslim. I'm single. My last education is senior high school. I have one younger sister. I come from Cirebon, West Java, Indonesia. My weight 75 kg. My height 116 cm. I have experience in 2 years in Indonesia. I work as housemate. My job is housekeeping, cleaning the house, take care of children, elderly people, cooking Indonesia, take care dog, washing car. I can cook Indonesian food, example, chicken soup, soup beef, chapchai, steamed fish. I want to work in Hong Kong because I need more money for my family and my best future. I will help mom and sir to take me. I promise to be hardworking and be honest person for work until finish 2 years without any problem. Thank you, sir, mom, for introduce